driving up the mountain, Big Jamie. It's been traffic since the turn off, but we're moving at an acceptable rate. Hopefully we get there in about half an hour. Oh yeah, freedom. Made it to the gun barrel. Big Jamie on the big Gilson. Line seems to be moving at a snail's pace, like usual. So far so good. After about 2 hours, made it to the T-bar. Conditions are pretty nice. There seems to be snow, which is good. Time to ride some snow. Okay. Alive. That's pretty big. Half a run in, still alive. Forgot the GoPro handle, so footage will be pretty average. But you can see, so that's good. Oh yeah. Pretty rocky. Woo! One run down, took the snow gums up the Black Sallies. Not a bad view. Jamie's over there getting wangs. Got some beverados. There's a lot of people here, and that kind of sucks. But they should leave soon. Hopefully get a run over there. Anton's has been Anton's and Spawners every tee for like the last hour. You probably can't see it, but there it is, over there somewhere. Oh, that's all good. Woo! Get it. Yeah. Oh, it's heaps soft in here. Yeah. Yeah. Seems to be pretty good down here. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh, this is good. Woohoo! Whoa! Woo! Hey, you did good. Oh yeah. Not a bad first day on the board. The old Gilson. It's working. Thank you, Andrew, and the boys at Gilson. It rides the Australian snow to an acceptable level. The snow is just heavy and thick, like it always is. But I'm not one to complain. I'm one to send. Phew! Oh, it's actually like winter in here. Woo! Woohoo! It's that sticky hard pack. Send it. Woo! Whoa! Nice! Short and sweet. Big Jamie. Both survived.
Oh yeah.
My feet are killing me, but I'm still alive. All is good in the hood.